The Election Monitoring and Democratic Studies Center organized a public forum entitled "The State of Political Freedoms in Azerbaijan." In the first panel of the forum, participants discussed problems of freedom of expression in Azerbaijan, mainly focusing on the economic freedom of mass media and journalist safety. Journalist Shahvala Chobanoglu noted that the publishing system has been monopolized and the circulation of newspapers is limited by the government. Guna Ismailova of the Institute for Reporters' Freedom and Safety stated that fiscal and court pressures against the media have not been reduced, and it resulted in the fear and self-censorship among the journalists. The Media Rights Institute reported that during 2011 year, 72 journalists were subject to fiscal or psychological pressure. There were 32 lawsuits against journalists on defamation charges. The director of the Turan news agency, Mehman Aliyev, proposed to organize a consortium of independent mass media outlets, journalists, and representatives of law enforcement agencies to solve four problems: to achieve freedom of press, institute professional and ethical norms, ensure freedom of obtaining information, and to create a reliable security system for journalists. The second panel of the forum is dedicated to opportunities for the socio-political activities, election right and the freedom of assembly. Lawyer Hafiz Hasanov said that the freedom of assembly has nearly been prohibited since 2005. In this regard to the Council of Europe's Venice Commission, the Azerbaijani ruling establishment continues to add restrictions to the law on political parties. The third panel was devoted to local and international initiatives for the release of political prisoners. The panel criticized the government's denial of political prisoners, and human rights activist Leyla Yunus accused Azerbaijan's leadership of using political prisoners to help keep control over society. According to Yunus, there are 59 political prisoners in the country, 4 journalists and 2 human rights defenders under investigation. There are also 15 prisoners of conscience among the political prisoners. Rasul Jafarov Singh for Democracy campaign member and head of Human Rights Club said that the fact that Eurovision 2012 will be held in Baku provides a chance for the release of political prisoners. He noted that 29 public institutions and individuals have joined the campaign. The conference discussed preparing an appeal for the release of all political prisoners ahead of the Nowruz holiday.